in the house. That guy over there. There's the new one. That's the old one. Front of the house. Into the addition here. This is going to be taken out, so the wall is just this, so this opening is going to be bigger. You come over here. There's the fridge and like the stove and some like cabinets, and then the sink right here looking out the window, dishwasher and other cabinets and whatnot. And then the end of that, here's the sliding glass door. So, kitchen. So right here's the pantry in here. 4x8 pantry there. Here's the bathroom. We're gonna have a tub right here, a stand-up shower right here, and some storage there. A sink right here, and the toilet right there up against this wall here. So you're sitting there, and here's a window. And then here's the laundry room. We got washer and dryer, maybe a shelf here. I may have to put the hot water heater over here and like the furnace thing. So I don't know, maybe put a wall there. I really don't know. Don't know. And then so it leads back into the house here, and then I'm gonna extend like this board here. Probably keep going across here. Boom. Get rid of this. That way the opening's just this bigger. Alright, bye. Got all the trusses up today. That's what it looks like there. Trusses. Man, I'm making a video. Trusses engaged. Coming along. Hello, here I am again, standing on top of the farmhouse. Boom, farmhouse. Neighbor's house. Our property out there. Cows mooing in the distance. Today we got the sheathing on the roof this side done. I'm not a heights guy, kind of sketch, but it is what it is. Tomorrow we're gonna hit that side. So beautiful out here. Stay tuned for more, my friends. Toodaloo. Voila. Today we did 3 windows. Got the roof sheathing on that side. It's starting to look good. The addition to the house. Got the neighbor dogs running up, peeing on the lawnmower. Got a nice sunset out there. Cattle in the distance. I dig it. It's looking good. I can't wait until we keep going and getting further. Stay tuned for more. Here we are standing on the roof. Give you a little span of the land. Got a couple more sheets to go to fill this in. We're getting there. There's the old window. I'm gonna end up putting another window back in that. That way I can look out and see the deer and the, you know, whatever else is gonna be out there. That's what we got so far. In one of my videos I talk about how there's gonna be a door down there because that's the kitchen, and then there was supposed to be a door, but I took out the door and added a window. That way there's more room for the kitchen, for canning goods and whatnot. Make the wife happy. Alright, we'll see you on the next one. Looking good. Hey guys, welcome back. Here's what we got done today. We got all the sheathing up. The sheathing's on the roof. You can't really tell. Unless maybe I do that or something. Still can't tell. I guess you see a little bit of it. It's on both sides. We got all the sheathing here. I still got to run tape. This black tape. Seal her all up. That's what it's looking like. Walk around over here, show you this side. Extra privacy, no windows over here. That's fine with me. Got the 3 here. In the first video I was telling about putting a door here. I'm not doing that. That way I got extra kitchen space. I'd go in and show you what's going on, but it's so dark in there you can't even see. But yeah, that's how far we got. Looking good, coming along. You know, follow for more, you know the drill. Take care, guys. God bless. Hey, welcome back, guys. I didn't get too far today. Didn't get much done because I didn't have mic, so I was just here by myself. So I put these soffit ends on. That's what I did today. As you can tell there, before it was all blank. Now I got them soffit ends on there and looks pretty good. So I got the roof on there. Some boards going up. That's all right. I need to cut a couple more pieces for the tip top, but you can't really tell. But you will be able to tell when I walk over here. Getting a little windy. It's kind of goofy up there, hard to cut that. There's why I need a piece in. Overall, looking pretty good for, you know, by myself, a little project of the day. Got the windows in. Everything's looking good. Thanks for watching, guys. That's what I got done so far today. Bought a nail gun. Bought some shingles. It's my first go round on doing it. Watched some YouTube videos, but this is where I am. Tomorrow I'll get out the step flashing and start stepping up that. We'll see where I get. It's starting to look good. Got the other side to do. Tomorrow's supposed to be pretty nice, so I'm hoping I get this side done, and then I'll put a vent pipe somewhere in here, and then a vent for the plumbing, and then a couple of vents for the attic. But this is where we are, standing up on top of the dealio. There's the sunset and property. Until next time. Day 3 of the shingles. On my second day, I got that side all done. There it is. Then today I did all the way up to there. Tomorrow I'm gonna put my vents in. I'll put a vent like down there, attic vent down there, like a plumbing vent in the middle, another attic vent up here over here or something. But yeah, we're getting there. So tomorrow, weather willing, this should be done, the roof at least. Looks good. Alright, here's the roof, all done. Got my vent, my other vent, my wet vent. So vent and vent for the attic, and that for the like toilet draining or the drains, or so it won't gurgle. One side done. I got my ridge cap on. I just cut some 3-tab into 3 pieces and used it, folded it over. That's it, all done. Not bad for a dude who doesn't do this for a living. there you have it. Roof done.